guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video today I'm going to be doing a review of Youvimi. It's a it's a cute little online website based in Hong Kong, and they sell like the cutest kawaii, that's redundant, but Harajuku fashion. And I'm going to show you a few of those things today that they sent me to review. So I'm going to start off with the wig because I absolutely love wigs. So I like to be able to turn myself into anyone I want to be. And it comes in this cute little package here, and it has like a little Ziploc closure. You close it, put your wig in, and store it for later. The wig does come with the wig cap, but as you can tell, I obviously don't need it. I don't have hair anyway. Oh, cute. So the wig I picked out was a little bob wig. Right here, it comes in the netting. Let me take that off. Oh, and it also comes with two little buns that you can clip into your hair as well. That's cute. Okay, so this cute little bob wig comes with bangs. I have already worn it before, and it's adorable as hell, y'all. It's very cute. So the wig does come with a skin top, though unfortunately it's only 2 by 2 inches when you go look at it on the inside, so it isn't that large. I kind of wish it was bigger so I could have, like, you know, more options for parting space, or like, you know, when I want to put the hair up, you know, that's okay. So it is machine wefted. It doesn't come with any comb. And it does have these adjustable straps so you can adjust the size of your wig. You go ahead and see that. And the sides are very soft. It has like this really like soft material, so it's not scratchy or irritating when you have it on. That's nice. And it has that all around the perimeter. So wherever it's touching your skin, it has like this nice soft fabric. So you're not, you know, all day. You know what I mean? That'll be me sometimes with wigs. I'm just like, I'm just gonna plop it right on. No wig cap, no nothing, just raw. I'm just using a paddle brush to brush it out. It is a synthetic wig. It is synthetic fibers. It is heat safe. It is heat safe though. Remember, always when you get a wig and you're testing to try and straighten it or curl or whatever, make sure you test a strand in the back, so if you do burn this shit off, it's not noticeable. So originally when I got the wig, the bangs went down to like my eyes right here. That was just a little too long for me. I like to have my eyebrows showed because, you know, usually my eyebrows are always on fleek. Okay, let's look at these little buns here that came in the package. They come in the individual netting. Oh, they're like little space buns. The wefts look like they are just sewn onto a normal hair clip. So that's what that looks like. It's just like short little wefts sewn around a hair clip. Oh, that's cute. Let's just try putting them on. Oh, they're cute. Oh, that's cute. Let me put the other one on. Oh. Oh. I don't even like bobs this short, but this is really cute. I'm excited about this. I like this wig. Ooh. 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 Oh! And just like that, space buns have never been so easy. I'll review the shirt that I got and the sweater next. Be right back. So here we have the Cute Girl loose t-shirt from Youvimi. Has a pretty girl wearing a dust mask and some Japanese text on the front. The first part says Kurayami, but I can't figure out the rest. It also has a black cross printed on both sleeves. This shirt does also come in black, which is what I meant to get, but I accidentally got white. But it's okay, I'm fine with it. The shirt itself is made out of a soft, stretchy material, so it is very comfortable to wear. It is also oversized, so generally one size fits all. The shirt stitching is also very nice as well, and is also stretchy. Next is Youvimi's Velvet Bow Long Sweater. It comes with an anime girl with space buns on the front. The design is stitched on instead of printed. The sweater's exterior is a velvet material. It's very plush and soft to the touch. It's pretty cozy. And it has some ruching at the wrist, which gives the sweater a more of a bell sleeve look. The interior of the sweater isn't all velvety and plush like the outside, but it is very soft. I kind of wish it did have the velvety plush material on the inside, but I can kind of see why they didn't do so because I'm sure it would probably get really hot inside. Next, I'm going to go ahead and show you what these items look like on. So this sweater is a one size fits all as well. It is very oversized. It's basically a sweater dress. It goes about 3 inches above my knees. And the sleeves are fairly long as well. It's actually pretty warm inside, so this is a perfect sweater when transitioning into the colder months. And then here is the shirt. Since it is oversized, I generally tuck it into some high-waisted shorts like I did here. And these are Spanx, but you know, whatever, they're cute. So I'm very happy with what I received. Youvimi does have quality items on their site, and I may do a haul from them in the future. We'll see what happens. It's a yes for me. So thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and follow me on Instagram if you're not already. Bye!